Hello again. Welcome to December's market update. Tony Marlette Jr. here at Brookside Tax and Financial Group. Let's get right to it. For November, markets were well into positive territory as we had really one of our best months in the last 3 years. This was led by economic reports, including earnings and interest rates. And inflation hedged lower as well. But remember, like we talked about in last month's market update, with the jobs report, sometimes numbers warrant an extra amount of skepticism, and that's no different with inflation. Just because the numbers are coming down does not mean that inflation is not prevalent anymore. If we're coming off of 40-year highs and the number is positive, that means costs went up over what they were from based on 40-year highs. Bonds started to pick up as well, with long-term rate projections finally starting to decrease, and that's good news for existing bonds. As far as stocks go, we talked last month as well about the 7 stocks that are holding up the entire S&P 500. That was not the case at all in November, as international stocks and small caps performed up to the level of their peers. With all that being said, the Fed should feel less compelled to continue to raise interest rates. So between the possibility of flat rates for 2024 or even a rate cut for 2024, about a 50% chance of that happening by May, and continued consistent spending, investors can feel positive about 2024. Remember, though, things can turn on a dime. And it's often the things that are unforeseen, the events that nobody can really predict, that tend to cause the most volatility. Markets are never without concern, and we talked about that in previous updates as well. It's important to remember you do not want to chase a rising market. Instead, the more prudent thing to do is ensure that your exposure to growth and safety is reflective of your long-term goals. This can decrease the need to buy and sell based on emotion, which is where we see a lot of mistakes being made. Of course, if you'd like to review your situation with us, feel free to do so. You can contact us online, give us a call, or stop into our office. While you're at it, check us out on our Facebook page and our YouTube channel as well. From all of us at Brookside, we wish you and your family a Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and a happy holiday season. We look forward to continuing to work with you.